Are you starting your own business as a sole trader? Or are you looking to do some freelance work or Uber driving as a side hustle? If so, you may be wondering what an ABN is and whether you need one. ABN is short for Australian Business Number. Every business operating in Australia needs an ABN. It is a unique set of 11 digits that is used to identify your business. Your ABN is used to confirm your business's identity in transactions and business dealings. It will appear on commercial documents such as receipts, invoices, and purchase orders. So when do you need an ABN? The short answer is you need an ABN if the activity you are undertaking is a business and not a hobby. Which of course raises the question, what is a business and what is a hobby? While there is no single clear-cut rule for answering this question, the Australian Tax Office says that an activity may be regarded as a business if the activity is of a reasonable commercial size and scale, there is an intention to make a profit from the activity is repeated, the activity is conducted in a systematic business-like manner, records are kept, the activity is run in a similar way to other businesses, and there is sufficient knowledge or skill required. This is regardless of the amount of money the activity is making. In other words, you could make only $1 of revenue and still be running a business that needs an ABN. So in general, if the activity you're undertaking falls within the ATO's definition of running a business, you need an ABN. In addition to this, you also need an ABN if you want to do any of the following: form a company, register a business name, register a trademark, register for GST, claim GST credits, claim energy grant credits, claim fuel tax credits, register an Australian domain name, or avoid some pay-as-you-go tax on payments you receive. So who doesn't need an ABN? Well, if your enterprise is a hobby, you may not need an ABN. For example, if you like knitting and you knit jumpers for friends and family and only charge them for the cost of the wool, you shouldn't need an ABN because it is unlikely that the ATO would consider this a business. Even though your friends and family pay you for the knitted jumpers, the enterprise is small and you have no intention of making a profit. All you want the money for is to recover your costs. But if you were to sell those same items at a market with the intention of making even a small profit, you would most likely need an ABN because you would be running a business. So now that you know how to determine whether you need an ABN and what they are used for, be sure to check out our video that shows you how to apply for an ABN for free.